just image. Hearing the voice of a person who lived 3,000 years ago. Yes, you heard that right. This is not just a theory. This is something science actually attributes. Guys, I'm Sema, and I'm going to tell you about Nesyamun. He was a priest who lived in ancient Egypt. His name was Nesyamun. The time he lived in was quite dark, the harsh reign of Ramesses XI. Nesyamun was not an ordinary man. He was a high-ranking priest at Karnak Temple. For him, his voice was a sacred duty because he had to sing during rituals. But then he died, and his voice remained silent for 3,000 years. Until now. Scientists recorded his voice, but how? They studied his mummified body. They focused on his vocal tract. Voice is not just made by vocal cords. It is shaped through the mouth, nose, and throat. They used the CT scans and recorded it using a 3D printer. The result, his voice was heard again. A sound similar to leather. This was a first in history because for the first time a dead person's voice was heard. And even more interesting, Nesyamun wanted this. This wish was written on his coffin, so science fulfilled a wish. What about the future? Maybe we will even talk to him, and he will tell his story in his own voice. And who knows, maybe he's not silenced anymore. Guys, if you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe, because here, history sometimes speaks. Thank you for watching.